In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in Zoho Analytics. Welcome to our beginner-friendly walkthrough designed to get you started with Zoho Analytics, a powerful business intelligence tool that can transform your data into insightful visuals and reports. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, we'll begin from your Zoho Analytics workspace. This is your primary hub and starting point for data management and analysis. Once you're there, look for the option to import or add data. This is essential because in order to analyze anything, we first need to have data within our workspace. This option is typically easy to spot and is designed to be intuitive even for newcomers. Next, you'll need to click on the option labeled Import Data, Create New Table. Don't worry, this simply means you're starting the process to bring in your data, whichever format it might be in, whether existing spreadsheets or other types of files. Following that, there is a specific prompt to import your data from various formats such as Excel, CSV, HTML, XML, JSON, as well as statistical and MS Access files. Zoho Analytics supports a wide range of file types to make the transition as smooth as possible. Once you make that selection, you'll have the chance to set your preferred table name. Naming your table is helpful for organizational purposes, especially as your data assets grow. Now, it's time to choose the file location. Here, simply navigate through your system files to select the data file you wish to import into your new table in Zoho Analytics. Don't worry if the interface seems complex. Take your time to ensure you've selected the right file. Once you've double-checked that everything is correct, go ahead and click Next. The next steps involve setting up your new table. This part of the process is referred to as Step 2 of 3. Create Table. Import. Clicking Next will guide you through this setup. The interface generally flows smoothly, and any prompts will be easy to follow. Finally, click on Create at the prompt when you've verified that all selections align with your goals. Shortly after confirming this, the system will inform you that your data importation has been successful. Isn't that satisfying? Immediately following the successful import, a message box will appear asking if you want to automatically generate reports and options for creating dashboards. This is a significant feature of Zoho Analytics, as it can instantly provide you with insightful suggestions and visual tools to better understand your data. Simply click Yes, and you're almost there. Last but not least, save your dashboard. Saving it ensures that your setup and data visualizations are securely stored for later use. There you have it. You've successfully created a workspace in Zoho Analytics and can begin to explore all its powerful features. Thank you for joining this hands-on tutorial. Stay tuned for more insightful tips.